once Anna got back to New York, which would, we're probably talking about 1923 or 24 in that era. I believe she became then probably involved with what was her passion in life, which was acting, and started to make contacts. And I don't know how it happened exactly I guess it probably wasn't that difficult, with the Bohemian left-wing community in New York. But I know she began to frequent places like the Cafe Royale on the Lower East Side, where the artists and the Bohemians hung out. And she eventually, and I don't know the timing of this, but I think the Workman's Circle became the Arbiter Ring became a big part of her life. Through I get my putting the pieces together, she was interested in acting, and she became active in the Workman's Circle, maybe for social reasons, maybe for political reasons, and then through them, their acting branch was the Folkspina Theater. And at some point, and I don't know the exact date, she began acting with them and maybe doing other acting as well. A recollection I have is we visited her on, I think it's called King Street, in an apartment. This would have been, I was old enough to remember. So I was born in 1950, so it was probably maybe 1954 or 55. It was before she moved, 54, 55. She was living in an apartment in Greenwich Village with a roommate, a young woman who played guitar. So this was the end of her Bohemian lifestyle, I guess, but she still was hanging on to it. At age 53, 54, she was living with a roommate in Greenwich Village who was, playing the guitar. And I remember her sitting on the floor and whatever, the roommate. What the Bohemian lifestyle earlier is more like what I have heard about the Cafe Royale, what I've read about that sort of history. And I can picture her. She was just a very lively, and beautiful person. I can just kind of picture her, with this crowd and in sophisticated parties smoking. She smoked. I think probably she died of some kind of a stroke or something, and I think it was related to her smoking. Yeah, and I can see her in the sophisticated Jewish left-wing Bohemian crowd smoking and laughing and singing.